Hi everyone! Today I wanted to take a quick look at the G-22. I was really excited to make mine because there's a lot of great printed 22 pistols out there, but there's not a lot of scratch-built 22 rifles, so I was really happy to finally have one in my collection. The G-22 is a 22LR break action that has both pistol and rifle variants. It was made by a developer named Mussy, and the first version was released in late 2018. The version that I printed is a really cool remix that Pilot Geek made. There's also a new version out that uses a compression spring for the striker instead of rubber bands, and has a neat takedown barrel. The G-22 locks with a simple little latch, which is more than enough for 22. Another interesting feature of the G-22 is that it uses a compliant trigger mechanism. As with the Maverick, I was shocked by how nice it feels, and it seems to be holding up well over time. These compliant triggers have really surprised me, and I've become quite a fan of them. I do kind of wish it had an extractor, but a pocket knife or a stick works well enough. Another neat thing about the G-22 is how incredibly light it is. Mine weighs in at just under 2 pounds. I also love the way it folds up. Unlike all of the other printed 22s that I've tried so far, the G-22 actually has a steel breech face. The original version and the Pilot Geek mod use a piece of 3/8 inch steel bar stock with a hole on the bottom, and the new version 3 actually has an option to use a little piece of sheet metal instead. I've had really good luck with printed breeches for 22, so I'm not sure if this is really necessary, but it certainly doesn't hurt anything, and it is nice to give a little extra peace of mind to those who don't trust printed breeches as much as I do. So in summary, the G-22 is about as simple as a gun can get, and that makes it really easy to build, cheap, and reliable. It's a really fun and handy little rifle, and I really recommend trying it out. Thanks for watching everyone, and a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters.